physical products. Good morning, Aunt Star. Thank you for stopping by. And my name is Mira. I am here in Ontario, and I'm loving to share this to you guys about the e-commerce. E-commerce with physical products or e-commerce with digital products. This is the trending time, the trending opportunity this time for us to go online, do business in the online space. Hi, Igorot from Mountain Province. Good morning. So I am from the Philippines also. I'm living here in Canada. It's in Ontario. And for all of you guys, if you are looking for a way to make money on the online space, let's learn about e-commerce. So e-commerce through physical products or e-commerce through digital products. My financial guru Chinky Tan, which is I always followed him every day in his YouTube channel. He mentioned that to this time, you have to learn how to make money while you sleep. Good morning. Where are you watching from? Vilia Cute One. Good morning. Where are you watching from? So here it is. I have like 45 minutes more to go live because this is a 2 hours workflow in my digital business through e-learning industry, e-commerce through physical products to learn more and make extra income, or digital products that will give you more extra income like 100% profits and giving you 100 resale rights for life. Hi, Red Rover. Good morning. AU Cohen, Burberry, is that the way you pronounce your name? Steve, thank you. Key Deep, thank you. Here it is. Tomorrow is Monday. And if you are this person who is still waiting for an interview from the job you applied for and you don't know what to do, what will be the start of the week, is it zero income, or would you like income, a business that if you're going to launch today, you're going to have following the step launch today, you're going to have following the step-by-step to profits in 7 days. Hi, Jaja. Good morning. Hi, Clara. Thank you. Hi, Jalali. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mira. I am a healthcare worker. I'm doing this business for 1 year and a half already, doing digital marketing. So digital marketing in the e-learning industry is $1 billion industry. Imagine we have 4 programs that I'm promoting. I only promote programs that is already created. And you know, when you build your own e-learning program, it takes time and it takes money and energy for you to build your own e-learning. So here it is. You will just plug in, get 100% profits on the programs that built for you, and here 100% profits. Okay, good morning. Don't forget to follow. Let's stop the screen so that we can we can boost our live. Teach you how to do it. I have my TikTok account here. This is my TikTok account. I'm live. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is my website. If you click my website, put your email address and get the information for free. Naniel, good morning. So I am just completing my 2 hours workflow. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Naniel is one of the member of the community. Jamie! Jamie, let's get Jamie. 100% profits with the lifetime resale rights in here. So build legacywise.com is my website. If you want to send me a message, send a message here. Okay, take a picture of this one because as of this time, I cannot receive messages or send the messages. Just go straight to my website or my email. Okay, let's try to click this one here so you can take a picture of this. Okay, to all my followers. Okay, here it is. Screenshot. This is my